Welcome to Getting Started with Madcap tutorial.
Objectives. After going through this tutorial, you will be able to understand the Madcap Flare graphical user interface, identify the different tools available in Madcap Flare, create a project in Madcap Flare, add topics and content using Madcap Flare features, add snippets, create in TOC and add it to a target.
The Madcap Flare graphical user interface. The Madcap Flare GUI provides a flexible workspace. It uses a modern multiple document interface, and gives you several options to work the way that you want. The Madcap Flare graphical user interface has the following sections: ribbon, left pane, editing pane, and the right pane. The Madcap Flare user interface provides a ribbon layout. The ribbon layout consists of File drop-down, Home ribbon, Insert ribbon, View ribbon, Review ribbon, Tools ribbon, Table ribbon, Window ribbon, and the Help ribbon.
The file menu lets you create a new project, import from source control, add new file, save all, save as, save to, save as template, save as contributing template, print and print preview, send to backups, clear the backups folder, edit properties, access SharePoint and close project. The Home ribbon has the following sections. Clipboard. The clipboard holds the cut, copy, paste, and delete buttons. Font. The font section lets you select a font type. Paragraph. Applies typeface to the content. Styles. Lets you create a style class and access the style window. Responsive layout and formatting window. Single source. To create snippet and micro content. Attributes. Lets you apply conditions and access the attribute window. Find and replace, helps you find and replace text and elements. Properties, lets you access topic properties, find and replace. The Insert ribbon has the following sections. Multimedia, to add images, multimedia, QR codes, slides, and screen captures. Table, to insert tables. Links, to insert hyperlinks, cross-references, bookmarks, glossary terms, and keywords. Single source, to insert snippets and variables. Text, to insert footnotes, text box, pop-ups, and drop-down text. Help control, to insert related topics control, and keyword links. Symbols, to insert equations. Advanced, to insert script and iframe. Proxy, to insert proxy, header, and footer settings. The View ribbon has the following sections. Explorer, contains the Project Organizer, Content Explorer, File List, Source Control Explorer, Builds, and Madcap Central. The Common sections, contains Start Page, Message, Backups, and Preview window. Reference, lets you add glossary terms, Index window, Concept window, and Link Viewer. Print Layout, lets you create footnotes, and page frame contents frame. Resources, give access to external resources, SharePoint Explorer, Contribution. Info, links to the info bar, and status bar. Project ribbon has the following sections. Content, add new topics or import topics. Build, to build, view and publish targets. Primary files, access to the primary target TOC, style sheet, and layout of the project. Save, to export, zip, save project as template. External resources, to synchronize files, SharePoint, manage mapping, external resources. Locate, to locate in Explorer and TOC. Properties, access to project properties. The Analysis ribbon is used to access dynamic reports and analysis. Review ribbon is used to review the project packages, track changes, and log files. The Tools ribbon is used for proofing, hyphenation, accessing templates, context-sensitive help, update cross-references, launch Madcap Capture, and use macros. The Table ribbon is used to create tables. The E-Learning ribbon is used to create LMS learning aids, questions and tests. The window ribbon is used to remember the window layout as the author prefers to dock or reset the layout panes. The Help ribbon gives the user access to an online community of Madcap users that help to troubleshoot issues, access to help topics and tutorials. To create a new project. On the Flare ribbon, click File, New Project. The New Project wizard is displayed. Enter project name. Select the project folder. Click Next. Click New from Template. Select an appropriate template. Select the primary target. Click Finish. The new project is loaded in the editing pane. To add a new topic. On the project ribbon, click New Topic. The Add File window is displayed. In New from Template, select New Topic. Enter a topic title. Enter the first heading for the topic. Select the project folder. Click Add. The new topic is displayed in the editing pane. To apply heading levels. On the Home ribbon, click Style Window. The Style window is displayed in the right pane. Place the cursor where you want to insert the heading. In the Style window, select Style H1. Type the heading text at the cursor insertion point. The heading style is applied to the text. Similarly, apply heading styles for other heading text. To create and insert snippets, select the content to make a snippet. On the Home ribbon, click Create Snippet. The Create Snippet window is displayed. Enter a file name for the snippet. Click Create. The snippet is created and stored in Resources folder. Go to the file you want to insert the snippet. Place the cursor at the insertion point. On the Insert ribbon, click Snippet. The Insert Snippet link window is displayed. Select the snippet. The snippet preview is displayed in the window. Click OK. The snippet is inserted in the file. To create a TOC. In the Project Organizer, right-click the TOC folder. Click Add Table of Contents. Select an appropriate template. Enter a file name. Click Add. The new TOC opens in the TOC editor. Drag and drop your topics to the TOC nodes. Or, right-click on the TOC node, click Link to Topic. Select a file from the window. Right-click on the node and select Properties. The Properties window is displayed. Set a label for the topic. Click OK. Similarly, add other topics. To add the TOC to a target, in the Project Organizer, right-click the Targets folder. Click Add Target. Add File window opens. Enter a file name. The target open the target editor. In the Startup topic, select a topic. In the Primary TOC drop-down box, select the new TOC. Save the target. The TOC is now linked to a target.